Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. And I'm telling you, the Motley Fool hates XRP. XRP versus Dogecoin. Which crypto will make you richer? So they're talking about XRP being up 1.21% and Doge being up 2.96%. Do they not know the long term for XRP yet? Do they not realize XRP is going to play a very important role in the new financial system? Every single day, the Motley Fool tries to keep people away from XRP. They are just so bearish on this cryptocurrency. Here's another great one. If you'd invest $100 in XRP 5 years ago, here's how much you would have today. So they're saying that XRP is up 260% over the last 5 years. To put it in another way, if you had invested $100 in XRP 5 years ago, your position would now be worth $360. A $100 investment in the S&P 500, on the other hand, would be worth $204. So XRP has outperformed the stock market. But it depends on when you invest it. And did you cash out along the way? You got to remember, XRP had run-ups along the way as well. But they're comparing it to where XRP is as of November 30th. You know, wait until XRP breaks out. I'm telling you right now, the Motley Fool, everybody in this space that just loves to hate on XRP, they're all gonna disappear. You'll never hear from these people again. And if you do, they sure as hell won't be talking about XRP, because XRP has a way of proving people wrong every single time. Veteran investor cashes out $2.5 million in XRP. Says, I'm going to have an easier life because of XRP. We're going to see stories like this over the coming months. And a lot of people made a lot of money off of XRP already. A lot of people retired with XRP already. It depends on when you got invested. Nobody expected that major run-up back in 2018. But yet it happened. 2021 wasn't so great because of the Ripple versus SEC case and XRP being delisted off of every major exchange almost. Uphold kept it listed, a few others did as well. But this time around, nothing is holding us back. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a one hell of a run. I don't even think XRP's run started yet. I think all we've seen from November 2024 up until now was a correction on the price of XRP. Wait until the real breakout begins. Firelight Protocol introduces staking rewards for XRP holders. Now, this is coming from Flare. This is that new Firelight that they just released. So it will enable the integration of XRP into DeFi through a two-phased rollout. In Phase 1, XRP holders can deposit their assets to receive STXRP, a one-to-one fully backed ERC-20 compliant liquid vault token. STXRP acts as a transferable receipt that can be freely used across the Flare DeFi ecosystem, serving as collateral swapped on decentralized exchanges or contributed to liquidity pools. The other option is coming later, and they haven't opened it up fully yet. So in Phase 2, the protocol fully activates its core mechanism using stake capital exclusively to support DeFi hedging contracts. This provides a high-impact use case scenario with real market demand, ensuring sustainable rewards for stakers. Either way, this is going to lock up even more XRP along the way. And a lot of people are already using this. They're saying they get great returns from it. Other people haven't even began yet. Me personally, I want risk-free options. And I think that's going to come from the institutions that enter this space over the coming months. Flare, I absolutely believe in Flare 100%. I think it's going to be a monster in this space. I think anybody buying now could stack a decent bag of it before it's too late. Because I think once Flare gets moving, it's going to start moving very fast. But I have not used their DeFi option yet. New document links XRP to Apple Pay. There's a lot of talk about Apple Pay and apps where you could buy crypto that are available on Apple and also Android. But Smoke pointed this out. Interested in digital payments is growing as new links appear between major platforms. Crypto researcher Smoke has unearthed another notable link showing that Apple Pay supports Ripple's Interledger protocol. He shared a document that explored how Ripple's technology could fit inside Apple's large ecosystem. The document pinpoints possible use cases that could help XRP in the Apple Pay ecosystem. I think Interledger protocol would be the absolute game changer for Apple Pay and micropayments as well. Interledger protocol is going to be a major game changer. Micropayments are going to be massive. It's going to be billions upon billions of micropayments happening. Interledger protocol is what's going to make those micropayments work because it will scale into the trillions of transactions per second. And it would fit in with Apple Pay perfectly as well. Again, a lot of these companies are building in the background. Some are utilizing Ripple, others are utilizing other networks. A lot is happening that we don't even know about yet. That's going to come to light later. Everybody's so distracted by the price of Bitcoin and the price of XRP and so on. What's going on in the background and what's building is so much bigger. Caitlin Long has been saying it for years. The Federal Reserve has never granted a crypto company a Fed Master account. Take a listen to this.
There are now several crypto companies that have applied recently for Fed Master accounts. The Fed has not granted a Fed Master account to any crypto companies at all, ever. There are a couple of us, three of us, who have legal eligibility letters, so we have actually cleared the first hurdle. None of the other crypto companies have cleared that hurdle yet. And like I said, it's 5 years.
Just wait until Ripple gets that Fed Master account. She is going to be so pissed off. You're going to see videos of her going fully insane when that happens. But Ripple is already on track to get that Fed Master account. And I think they're going to fast track Ripple as well. You got to remember, look at Ripple, how when it comes to regulations, they're following the rules 100%. Plus, Ripple has already been vetted through the SEC in the United States as well. I really do believe the Fed is going to fast track that license for Ripple. Plus, Ripple has all those other licenses in the United States already as well. I call them rails that XRP is going to run on domestically in the US. But she is going to be so pissed when that happens. Just in, $12 trillion BlackRock says U.S. national debt will accelerate crypto adoption. I just mentioned this in a video earlier about how the debt is also going to push utility-driven cryptocurrencies way ahead of the rest because our debt is still a major problem in the United States. And BlackRock sees it as well. They're going to tokenize the U.S. debt. That's what it comes down to. And it's going to benefit certain cryptocurrencies because those cryptocurrencies are going to be what takes our debt into places it has never gone before. Right now, a lot of countries are pushing away from US debt, so they need to open up new markets, new buyers of that debt, and they're going to do it through tokenization. Binance rolls out crypto savings platform for kids. I really think this is a great idea because kids are going to grow up in the crypto age. Why not start them early? So, in a move aimed at bringing digital finance into everyday family life, Binance has rolled out Binance Junior, a platform built for parents who want their children to learn about crypto through hands on experience, but without the risk of trading or unrestricted transfers. Key takeaways: Binance has launched Binance Junior, a parent controlled crypto savings platform for users aged 6 to 17. Kids can earn yield through Simple Earn while parents manage funding, permissions, and safety settings. The rollout includes Binance's new children's book, ABCs of Crypto, aimed at boosting early financial literacy. You know, this should be taught early on. Finance should be taught in elementary school so kids have a better understanding instead of investing instead of just blowing their money on nonsense. That's the way I look at it. If you could teach people how to invest early on, there would be a lot less people in debt today. That's the way I look at it. So, what Binance is doing here, I think it's a really good thing because anybody that gets involved in crypto, the sooner they get involved with crypto, the more they're going to make in this space. I always said, XRP holders, you're very lucky. You beat the institutions to something like XRP, but that window is now closing. If you're invested before the institutional wave gets here, you're going to make a hell of a lot of money when they do get here because the price of XRP is going to change dramatically over the coming weeks and the coming months. And as that's happening, people are going to continue to get priced out. Look at how much one XRP costs today compared to just a little over a year ago when it was sitting at 50 cents and nobody wanted it. Soon, it's going to move above $5. Then it's going to move above $10 and $20 and so on. The earlier you get in, the more money you're going to make. That's the way I look at it. And even if you're buying XRP today, you're still early compared to where XRP is going. Don't let people tell you, well, you're too late to XRP. It's now sitting above $2. I'm telling you now, once that institutional wave of money flows into this space, XRP is already headed to 3 digits. Then it's going to go to 4 digits and beyond. You're still early, but the window is closing. And until it all happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.